Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn on the comments on the pins in your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to turn on your comments in your pins in your Pinterest account, I just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, select any pins. You just need to turn this on. Now click on the three dot option, and here you can find this option on manage. You can see you have the option called allow comment. You can just tap here to turn this on, or just go to the edit option and click on the advanced setting. Here also you can enable to turn this allow comment option. So here you have another option called add text. You can just need it if you just can use it. And this is how you just turn on the comment option on your pin for your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.